Hello and welcome you all to Azito Academy. Students, today we are going to discuss important question answer of this chapter, combustion, flame and fuels. Few students have given message to make easy notes in this chapter. So that's why I have made this video. So without wasting time, now let's start. Key terms: combustion, a process in which a substance burns in air or oxygen to produce energy. इसे हम लोग और एक तरह से बोल सकते हैं, in other word, combustion is a chemical process in which a substance burns in the presence of air. Air means oxygen, producing heat and light. तो स्टूडेंट्स एक चीज नोटिस कीजिएगा. एक तो आंसर की टर्म में एक तो मैंने लिख दिया है यहाँ पर और एक मैं बता रही हूँ. सो डोंट स्किप दिस वीडियो, ओके? क्योंकि हर एक चीज हम लोग कॉपी में नहीं लिख सकते हैं या वाइट बोर्ड में नहीं लिख सकते. तो कभी कभी होता है कि एक हम बता रहे हैं तो दूसरा माइंड पे आ जाता है, तो उसको भी हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. तो हर एक चीज को आप लोग माइन्यूटली लर्न कीजिएगा, लिसन कीजिएगा, सुनिएगा, देखिएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज combustible substance, a substance that can burn easily. Non-combustible substance, a substance that cannot catch fire easily. Next is ignition temperature, the minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire. Or in other word, ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which a combustible substance catches fire. Now the next is flame, the light emitting part of fuel which rises in air. In other word, it is a flame, it is a zone where the burning of gases or vapors takes place, producing light and heat. Okay, now the next is fuel, any substance that burns to produce heat and light to perform work. Okay, this is called fuel. Calorific value, the amount of heat produced by the complete combustion of 1 kilogram of a fuel. Now the next, tick the correct answer. Which gas is produced when most of the fuels are burned? Sulfur dioxide, helium, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. The answer will be carbon dioxide. Second number question, which gas is the supporter of combustion? Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. The answer will be definitely oxygen. Okay. Now the next is, water cannot be used to put a fire caused by which of the following substances? Kerosene, petrol, electric appliance, all of this. Okay. Number 4. Which of the following substance does not burn with a flame? LPG, wood, coal, candle. The answer will be coal. Question number 5. Which among the following substances undergo spontaneous combustion? Firecracker, magnesium ribbon, sodium. The answer, firecracker. Question number 6. Which is the hottest zone of the candle flame? Innermost zone, middle zone, outermost zone, or all of this? So answer will be outermost zone. Question number 7. In which part of the candle flame does complete combustion take place? ऐसा कौन सा कैंडल फ्लेम का कौन सा पार्ट जो कंप्लीट कंबसन हम लोग कहते हैं या कंप्लीट कंबसन होता है, वो भी आउटर मोस्ट जोन ही है. इनर मोस्ट जोन, आउटर मोस्ट जोन, मिडिल जोन या ऑल ऑफ दिस? डेफिनेटली आउटर मोस्ट जोन. Soot is question number 8. Which fuel has the highest calorific value? Methane, LPG, petrol, hydrogen? The answer will be hydrogen. Next, question number 9. Soot is made up of which of the following? Unburned carbon particles, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, none of this. The answer will be unburnt carbon particles. ये सूट कहाँ प्रोड्यूस होता है स्टूडेंट्स? कहाँ पे? मिडिल जोन, लुमिनस जोन पे, जहाँ पर अनबर्न कार्बन पार्टिकल्स, उसी को हम लोग कहते हैं क्या? अनबर्न कार्बन पार्टिकल्स. ओके. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Which among the following is a constituent of natural gas? Methane, ethane, propane, butane. The answer will be methane. Yeah, this methane, ethane, propane, butane, the all are hydrocarbons. But the answer mainly constituent of natural gas, this is the methane. Now give one word for the following. A greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide. The minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire, this is called the ignition temperature. The gas required for combustion, answer will be oxygen. Question number 4. Soda acid fire extinguisher produces this gas. Which gas? Carbon dioxide gas, CO2. Now the question number 5. A gaseous fuel. The answer will be natural gas. Students, it's not only natural gas. यहाँ पर सिर्फ natural gas नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक gaseous fuel पूछा गया है. बट यहाँ पर आप लोग natural gas, petroleum gas, biogas कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. Question number 6. Natural gas mainly contains this gas. Which gas? Methane. Okay. Now the question number 7. This is the amount of energy produced by complete combustion of a fuel. This is called calorific value. Students, we will go further, but remember, everything cannot be written on the board. Listen carefully and repeatedly to understand properly. So students, don't skip the video. This is very important question answer in this chapter and notes of the chapter for examination. So be careful. Now next question, match the following. Hydrogen, firecracker, respiration, carbon monoxide, invisible zone of flame. Column B, pollutant, oxidation, highest calorific value, hottest part of the flame, and the last one is explosion. So hydrogen, highest calorific value. Firecracker, explosion. Respiration, oxidation. Number 4, carbon monoxide, pollutant. Number 5, D. This is invisible zone of flame, hottest part of a flame or non-luminous zone. Next, give reason for the following. Water should not be used to put out a fire caused by oil or petrol. Answer. Water should not be used to put out a fire caused by oil or petrol because these substances are lighter than water and keep floating on water. Question number 2. The middle zone of a flame is yellowish in color or bright in color. The middle zone of a flame is yellowish in color because in this zone the fuel burns partially and forms carbon particles. The hot carbon particles emit light. Now question number 3. Carbon dioxide is used to put out a fire caused by petrol or kerosene. Carbon dioxide is used to put out a fire caused by petrol or kerosene because it is heavier than oxygen and covers the combustible substance like a blanket, thus cutting off the contact between the combustible substance and air. Question number E. Answer the following questions in one word or a single sentence. What is combustion? A process in which a substance burns in air or oxygen to produce energy. Question number 2. Name 2 combustible substances. The answer: coal and petrol. Students, यहाँ पर 2 कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस का नाम पूछा गया है जो मैंने लिखा है कोल एंड पेट्रोल. कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंसेस बहुत सारे होते हैं लाइक पेपर, वुड, काउ डंग केक्स, केरोसिन, कुकिंग गैस, कुकिंग गैस मीन्स एलपीजी, सीएनजी, एवरीथिंग, दिस ऑल आर कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंसेस. तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ कोल एंड पेट्रोल है तो आप लोग को कोल एंड पेट्रोल ही लिखना है, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. आप इसमें से कोई भी कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस लिख सकते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. विच जोन ऑफ द कैंडल फ्लेम इज कॉल्ड द डार्क जोन? Innermost zone of the candle flame is called the dark zone और ब्लैक डार्क जोन भी हम लोग कहते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हाउ इज द कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू ऑफ अ फ्यूल एक्सप्रेस्ड? कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू ऑफ अ फ्यूल इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन किलो जूल्स पर किलोग्राम, जिसे हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं? kJ per kg. Now the next question, name 2 liquid fuels, oil and alcohol. तो ऑयल एंड अल्कोहल ये दोनों ही सिर्फ लिक्विड फ्यूल्स नहीं होते स्टूडेंट्स. आप लोग ऑयल, अल्कोहल, पेट्रोल, डीजल कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. What type of combustion occurs when a substance catches fire on its own? This is called spontaneous combustion. Next question. Answer the following question in brief. Question number 1. How can you say that respiration is also a type of combustion? The answer will be during the process of respiration, glucose combines with oxygen in the cells of our body to form carbon dioxide and water along with the production of energy. This is the equation. Glucose C6H12O6 state क्या होता है? Aqueous. 6O2 oxygen gas. After reaction it will form carbon dioxide 6CO2 plus 6H2O water and energy. Okay, so we can say that respiration is also a type of combustion. Now the next question, Why is it necessary to attain the ignition temperature of the fuel? The answer will be ignition temperature is the minimum temperature at which a substance starts burning. That's why it is necessary to attain the ignition temperature of the fuel. Question number 3. What will you use to put off fire caused by electrical gadgets? Give reasons. We will use soda acid fire extinguisher to put off fire caused by electrical gadgets because it does not conduct electricity and thus there is no danger of electrocution. Or in other words, soda acid fire extinguisher is a bad conductor of electricity. Now question number 4. List the condition essential for combustion. There are 3 conditions essential for combustion. Number 1, the presence of a combustible substance. Number 2, the presence of oxygen or air. Number 3, attainment of ignition temperature. Question number 5. Why is combustion considered to be a chemical change? Combustion is considered to be a chemical change because we cannot get back the original substance after combustion. Question number 6. We should not burn coal in a closed room. Why? We should not burn coal in a closed room because in insufficient supply of oxygen, it gives carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is poisonous and can also be fatal. Now the next, answer the following questions in details. First question, describe the zones of flame with well-labeled diagram. Student, this is the label diagram of candle flame. A candle flame has mainly 3 zones. The first one, the innermost zone. The innermost zone, also called dark zone of the flame. It is the least hot zone of the flame. It contains the fuel in the gaseous state. In this area, no oxygen is available for the burning to take place. Now the next zone, the middle zone. This zone is also called luminous zone or zone of incomplete combustion. In this zone, the fuel burns partially and forms carbon particles. The hot carbon particles emit light. As a result, fuel starts burning with a yellowish flame. The third point, the outermost zone. This zone, also called non-luminous zone or zone of complete combustion. It is transparent blue in color. As the oxygen from the air is readily available in this zone, there is complete combustion of the fuel. It is the hottest zone of candle flame. Question number 2. List the pollutants produced by burning of carbon containing fuels. List of the pollutants produced by burning of carbon containing fuels are carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, hydrocarbons. Now the question number 3, distinguish between complete and incomplete combustion. Complete combustion, the combustion in which the substance gets completely burned is called complete combustion. Incomplete combustion, the combustion that take place in the presence of insufficient oxygen is called incomplete combustion. कंप्लीट कंबसन में सफिशिएंट ऑक्सीजन का ज़रूरत होता है या सप्लाई किया जाता है, और इनकम्प्लीट में क्या होता है, इनसफिशिएंट ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई होता है, जिसके कारण से ये या तो पार्शियली भी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, पार्शियली। तो एग्जाम्पल, कंप्लीट कंबसन में हमेशा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस प्रोड्यूस्ड होता है, और इनकम्प्लीट कंबसन में कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, ये क्या है, काफ़ी पॉइजनस गैस है, और एंड सूट पार्टिकल्स मीन्स अनबर्न्ड कार्बन पार्टिकल्स। The last question, question number 4. Explain 3 methods which are used to extinguish fire. The answer will be 3 methods which are used to extinguish fire. These are water, fire extinguisher, and carbon dioxide cylinder. Number 1, water. Water is used to extinguish fire in case when the burning materials are solids like wood or paper. It cools down many combustible substances. The water vapors surrounded the combustible substance and cut off the supply of air. Next point, fire extinguisher. The fire extinguishers are based on the following 2 principles. First, cooling the fire below the ignition temperature. Second, cutting off the supply of air. Number 3, carbon dioxide cylinders. In this fire extinguisher, carbon dioxide is stored in liquid form under high pressure. When it comes out in the gaseous form from the cylinder, extinguishes fire by simultaneously cutting off the air supply and cooling down the temperature of the combustible substances. Students, please don't forget to comment any of your doubt or compliment in the comment box so that I can make the next video better. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to get the next update or video.